There was a house halfway around the world, and I was invited in for a small taste of gin. There was a hallway 1,000 birds long, but the biggest one of all was in a cage too small. I asked the caretaker, cause he was a maker, looked at me and laughed, took another sip from his glass. He said, open up your ears and hearts. You put a big bird in a small cage and sing him a song that we all love to sing along to the sound of the bird that roars. Sweet New Orleans, to the Apple Barrel Bar, there's a hole in the wall. The ceilings weren't tall, the floors of grime, but the sound that you would make would just warm your heart. Well, it was 11:45 when the boys walked in. They got their black suits on, the songs would begin.